Hello, kids! I hope all of you are doing well today. And welcome to another virtual lesson in English. Again, this is Teacher Hurley, and I hope all of you are excited to explore a new lesson in English. While watching this video, you may pause it to write some of the important notes and answer some of the activities. Now here's our lesson objectives for this week. At the end of the lesson, the pupil is expected to identify homographs in sentences and differentiate the meaning of homographs in sentences. So today, I will be talking about homographs. What are homographs, by the way? The word homograph came from the words homo and graph. The word homo means the same or similar, while the word graph means writing. This means that homographs are the words that are written or spelled in the same way but have different meanings. Example, letter and letter. The first letter refers to the letters in the alphabet, while the second letter is a personal message for someone. Another example is the present and present. The first one is a gift and the second one is to show something. This time, let's use them in sentences. Look at the italic words in the sentence. Number 1, they listen very well to their teacher. Number 2, they fetch water from the well. The first well tells us how the children and the teacher listened, while the second one tells us the well, which is a place that we can get some water. Meaning, well and well are homographs because they have the same spelling but have different meaning. Here are the examples of homographs. My mom bought a new pen from the bookstore. The chickens got out of their pen. The first pen is a writing instrument, while the second pen is a small enclosure for an animal. Another example. I'm afraid to sail a boat because it might sink. We use our sink to wash hands. The first sink is to go to the bottom, while the second sink means a basin that has water supply for washing. Another example. I use a ruler to measure objects. The new ruler is fair and kind. The first ruler is a device for measuring, while the second ruler is a leader or a king. I know you have more ideas now about homographs. Here are more examples. Bats are nocturnal animals. The bat is so heavy. The first bat means flying animals. You can only see them during night. That's why it's called nocturnal. The second bat is a wooden object used for hitting the ball, just like in a baseball. Here are more examples. Always cover the leftovers to avoid flies. The bird flies high. What could be the meaning of these two words? The first flies means winged insects, while the second flies means to move through air, just like those birds with flying wings. Another example of homographs is palm and palm. I love going to the beach and see lots of palm trees. My palm is clean. The first palm means the tropical tree that you can find along the beaches, while the second palm means part of the human hand. I bet this is the last example for the homographs. Why don't we try figuring out more homographs? Let's make sentences based on the given word and pictures. First word, can. Please give me a can of soda. And for the second can, she can lift the barbell. First can means a can of soda, while the second one means capable of doing something. Next word, ring. My sentence would be, the phone is ringing. And the next picture, my sentence will be, the ring is so expensive. Why don't you try the next word? Left. Here is my first sentence. Please turn left for the exit. The second one is, the airplane has left. Next word, ball. Mr. and Mrs. Diaz attended the ball. While for the second sentence, my dad gave me a new ball. Our evaluation, you may get a piece of paper or your notebook together with your pen so that you can answer this activity. You can also pause this video for more time to answer the activity. Identify the meaning of each highlighted word. The choices are on the left side. Just write your answer before the number. Number 1. Headache is a sign of stress. Number 2. Please sign the document. Number 3. I love to watch TV. Number 4. Her watch is expensive. 5. Mika got the right answer. Number 6. The sign says no right turn. Here are the answers. Number 1. An indication of something. Number 2. A. To write one's name. Number 3. B. To look at something. 4. C. A device that tells the time. 5. F. Correct or true. Number 6. D. Opposite of left. Did you get them all correct? So let us remember that homographs are words with the same spelling but have more than one meaning. What do you call them again? Correct, homographs. And for your homework, you may list down on your notes at least 10 pairs of homographs. You know you can do it. This can help you remember our lesson for today. I hope you learned something from our video lesson for today. This is Teacher Hurley. Thanks for watching.